10 frames, what are they? 10 frames are a 2 by 5 rectangular frame. Objects, for example counters or buttons or pennies or anything really, can be placed in them or they can be coloured in to illustrate numbers up to 10. They're very useful because they help us see numbers in different ways and to develop a strong number sense. Developing a strong number sense is really important because it helps us become good mathematicians, helps us to be able to see numbers in different ways, which helps us make connections, see relationships, and see maths and number in the world around us. 10 frames can be filled in 3 different ways, all of which go towards helping to build a flexibility with numbers to 10 and to develop a rich number sense. The first one that we're going to explore is a 5-wise 10 frame. In this one, you simply fill from the top row of 5. Seeing numbers in this way as 5 and something is very important for helping to build our flexibility with numbers, to be able to pull them apart and manipulate them to help develop our subtraction and addition skills. In this example, you're working towards seeing 5 and 2, and we can see this quickly without having to count one at a time because we see that the top row is full and there are 2 at the bottom row. Then we may see it as straight away as 7. We can also work towards recording our calculations or recording what we see as a calculation. So in this example, you would see 5 plus 2 equals 7. Where 10 frames are also very useful is that we may see it as 3 spaces, and we know that 10 take away 3 is 7, so there must be 7 dots. The next one we will explore is a pairwise 10 frame, where we fill the top and bottom rows together, and this helps us develop our knowledge of double numbers, such as double 3, as can be seen here, or near double numbers, such as 4 add 3. In this 10 frame, someone may see it amongst many ways as 4 and 3. They may see 7 straight away, or they may see the 3 spaces and know that 10 take away 3 or 10 subtract 3 is 7. They may count them in groups of 2, so 2, 4, 6 and 1 more is 7. Or they may use their knowledge of doubles and near doubles, so see that this is double 3 add 1, making 7. The final way that we might fill the spaces of a 10 frame is by filling them randomly. And when we talk about how many dots there are altogether, we may see this in lots of different ways. For example, someone may see this as 4 and 3. So altogether there are 7 dots. Someone may see it as a group of 3, another group of 3, and 1 on its own. Someone else might see it as a group of 2, a group of 2, and a V in the middle of 3. Someone else may just see it as 7 straight away, or someone else may notice that there are actually 3 spaces, therefore there must be 7 dots. 10 frames can also be used to develop a number sense above 10, and you would do this by using more than one 10 frame or multiple 10 frames. I see this 10 frame as being full, so I know that there are 10 dots. The other 10 frame I see as there are 5 in the top line and 2 in the bottom line, so there are 7 dots altogether. If I bring these together, I see it as 10 plus 7 equals 17. There are 17 dots altogether. And I can check these by counting one by one. I can count in lots of different ways, and you're really developing that skill and seeing the numbers in different ways. The rest of the videos available will go into much more detail on how to use them to support developing a number sense by seeing numbers visually, and we'll be using them to help with adding and subtracting.